액션 düşüyor. Wow, what the hell, man? Since there. Ah, that was a close one. Kapishide. 미안해요, 작아다. Let's check out the sunset. I don't think I'll be talking much today, but yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bikes today with no plan, so let's see what we'll do. I think when we're returning from the Kohima Dimapur highway, we'll climb the viewpoint, Chümoukedima. But before that, we'll be, taking a short ride to Pipima. Hello. Okay, so we're at Jarnapani right now. The boys are behind me. Oh, looks good. Looks very good. The view is good. Let's opt for a flyby. Oh, Gen 3 390, and we have X-Pulse. Check out that Duke 390, man. I'm actually more excited to be going to the viewpoint because it's been long since I last, went up there. When there were like no roads, and it was like that trekking vibe. But it sure does feel good to be riding a bike after weeks and weeks. I mean, I was riding a bike, but to be riding it in the highway, it's like a different taste again.
Aerate it, warm it up, driving up.
Okay, here comes some twisties of Dimapur Kohima Road. At least it's kind of dry here, so yeah, that's a good thing. And Justin is in front of me. Let's see how he's doing. Actually, we shouldn't be riding like this, but it's been long, so alap hyper riding craze.
अच्छा, ठीक है, समझ गया.
But anyway, diversion bit. Kiman ba tayo? Oh, action issue to. Damn. Wow, what the hell, man? We have to be really careful these on our highway. Anyway, weather is GG. Loving it. Loving the corners. GG corners, man. The return trip is always better because the roads are much, the corners are much more cleaner and better when we're returning. The weather of Dimapur, Kohima, it has become really unpredictable. One moment it's sunny, the other moment it's raining, next moment it's cloudy. Don't know what kind of weather is this also, but at least, getting to go on a ride today. And the weather seems, it is cloudy, but it's not raining, so let's hope that it doesn't rain until our ride is over. So let's hope for the best. What I feared most is happening right now. It's raining. Not the best weather. But it's not raining heavily, so I hope that this rain won't get heavier. Let's hope for the best. If you guys can see, that side looks very clear, but this side it's raining, so I can't wait to reach that side. stopped raining. Ah shit, it's still raining. But it's, you know, getting much clearer than the weather behind us. So yeah, let's chase the good weather. What am I even saying, bruh? I seriously need to work on my speaking skills. That is, you know, meaningless.
Huh? 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 Huh?
But again, this is a motovlog, so I guess I should talk. Hell, what am I even saying?
अब तुम लोग गलती से अगर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पे अपने जीजा जी फेंक के मारो या फूफा जी, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।
So we're going to be taking this route, and you know, coming out of Kohima, since the road here is much better than the road that side, the main highway. So yeah, we'll be taking this route. We have Anguka here. No hand rider. He thought I was talking with him. Check out the view. We are heading to NU campus, Mezifema. I feel like the view is gonna be really great. Let's go and check it out. 미안해요, 작아다. 이제. So we're going to the viewpoint now. It's too early, the sun is still very up high, but yeah, Jaina, you know, it's better going and seeing the view before it rains than it raining na.
What?
Because like I said, the weather of Dimapur, it's very uncertain. Whew! Look at the view, man, very scenic. Where am I getting these new words from, bruh? But it's very nice to be, you know, having a bike and then being able to roam around with the boys. Plus the weather is also very GG. So is the view. So everything is a plus point right now. Everything about the ride is a plus point. It's going to be a very chill ride from here. Since there
मौत को छू के टक से वापस आ सकता हूं।
that was a close one. Kapishide. Okay, that was scary. That was very scary. I thought I was done for. Hey. Okay, we're gonna be ascending to the peak now. I mean, I don't know if we're gonna reach the peak, but yeah, we're going up now, and the roads have become much better than before, that's for sure. Whew. The view already looks promising from here, and yeah, there's like lots of shade here, so it's nice, good for the skin, no sunburn. We can see Patkai. Woo! Look at that, man. Too good. Can't wait to, you know, can't wait to see what's, you know, on top of us. Back then these roads were like very bad. I mean, to begin with, there were no roads. It was only, you know, a trail. So there's like gravels on the road that's making the bike a little, you know, slippery. Woo! Look at that. Sheesh, too good. Ah, so excited. Well, they climb only by the still for there, but it's good that, you know, I've got the boys with me. Ah, freak, this is too good. Ababa katishide yole mountain do. I don't think full blacktop to Maris na to. But anyway, let's proceed and see where we reach. Oh, hop up on as well. So there is blacktop here. Let's see. And from here we can see the, you know, the place where we were viewing from the NU point. Damn. I don't think we should be in this deep, but yeah. Just trying to see where the good roads end. Woo! Sundur ka. Oh, look at this. It's freaking pretty. Woo! Look at the view here. This is something else again. Ah, bien, eh? Too good. This side there's something else again. It's something else again, the view. Woo! Here we go. We're having a sunset. That's nice. Too good. Let's check out the sunset. Woo! Sheesh. That is an amazing sunset. Woo! Bien là. What is that? Picture like that.
Mola photo.
Mola phone between more chứ. खुशी है.
Portrait Polo na ngayon.
Buido tade. ना खड़ा होना लो. क्या नज़ारा है. Alright, Ole. Alright. The sun is setting, and just like that, this is also the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.